Long time no see, welcome to Zippy's World. It's 28 degrees, it's boiling out, so excuse the stupid hat. Baldy heads don't like the heat. Today, short video on CRF1000 Africa Twin. My new beastie. And today, the short job we're going to be doing is replacing the screen. Now, it's quite a simple job as long as you're careful. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 Allen keys, bolts obviously, and your keys. Underneath them are little rubber well nuts. They are demons. They will fall and drop into the fairing if you even look at them funny. You probably are going to lose them and you're going to be unhappy. So be careful. Take them off gently and try not to nudge them when you're out. We will try and show you. So what you need is Allen key. Now a special one, and literally it's just a question of undoing them. Be gentle. They're rubber well nuts with little brass inserts. Hopefully they haven't been over tightened, so that you won't have the sensation of little well nuts spinning round and round. Alright, I'm going to undo all 4 of these and then come back. Alright, let's put the screen down safe. I just want to show you the bolts. You can see Allen bolt, little vinyl washer, and then you've got a little rubber washer. Don't lose them, they go on the exterior. Alright, that's my feet in funky flip flops. Back to what you're interested in. This screen I'm fitting on there. It's a pooch or pig or pudge, whatever you. That's the one I got. I had it on my previous bike. Really like it. Less buffeting than the standard screen, and I think in the dark looks dog's bollocks against the red. Right, these are the original screws. You notice this screen comes with some little rubber. Try and put it on the camera. That's a good boy, is it? Right, and they are to go with these as well. But this particular screen, what it does, I'll try and do it one-handed, but you appreciate that that's not easy. Is you put them through there, and these go on the back. Now I'm going to go through and do that so you can see what I mean, because it's not impossible to do one. Right, so you can see what I was talking about. The good thing about these is by having that rubber piece on the back, it does make them like captive nuts, which makes it for a hell of a lot easier lining it up there, which you will see. So just to show you what I meant, you can see rubber spacer, original rubber. Oh, focus, that's a good lad. And then you've got the little vinyl one, and then the bolt and the spacer there. And you screw the rubber one up all the way up to there, so you're left with that. I'm sure if you screwed it up it would tighten up, but I mean, that's brilliant. It means they all stay in the same place, which is good. A little bit awkward maybe lining them up, but I'm going to get my able assistance, in other words my wife, to help. Okay, another little tip I thought of, you can see I just put those on there, is this stuff. These well nuts, rubber captive nuts, whatever, but other people call them, they're notorious for being buggers, i.e. they seize up or people over tighten them or what have you. So I've had a few that I've had to drill out. I just put a bit of copper grease on it, alley grease and what have you, just on the threads, just so they go in and out a little bit easier, and adds a bit of protection as well. Just my 2 pennies worth. Right, okay. My able assistant has helped me line it up because he can be a bit of a pig. So if you've got another pair of hands, do it. And just do these gently. We will crack your screen and your wheel nuts will just be obscenely tight. You don't want wheel nuts, do you, babe?
No, wheel nuts are not good.
And nobody likes tight nuts.
Wow.
Okay. Not everybody likes tight nuts. Okay. Not too tight. They can be a bit fiddly to get in, where you had to loosen the bolts off, just because if they were tight and captive, they wouldn't reach the wheel nuts very well. And that is as complicated as it gets. So pull back, able assistant, and let them see how glorious the new screen looks compared to the old one, which is an atrocity. Once I get my elbows out of the way, of course. Thank you.
Stunning.
It looks so much better in the bag. And that's replacing your screen.